Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup GoHighLevel appointment history into Sheets. Detail. To backup your GoHighLevel appointment history into Google Sheets, begin by logging into your GoHighLevel account. Navigate to the Appointments section from your dashboard. Once there, locate the specific appointments you wish to backup. Select the date range for the appointments to be exported. Click on the Export button, typically found at the top right corner of the Appointments page. Choose the format for your export, usually in CSV format, which is compatible with Google Sheets. After the file is generated, download it to your computer. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, click on File in the top menu. From the drop-down, hover over Import and select Upload. Drag and drop the downloaded CSV file into the Upload window. Once the file is uploaded, choose the option to open it as a new spreadsheet. Verify that your appointment data appears correctly in the spreadsheet. If adjustments are needed, feel free to format the sheet as per your requirements. To save your changes, go to File and select Save or rename the document. You can also organize the sheet by adding headers for better clarity. Consider sorting your data for easier access in the future. Now that your appointment history is backed up in Google Sheets, you are ready to use it for any further needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.